Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. What am I doing? I'm playing my new app, Beat the Button. How do you play this game? By going to the App Store. Let me show you. Today I'm showing you my first ever app on the App Store, Beat the Button. Here's a preview. There are challenging puzzles for you to complete. Can you solve them all? Here's one example. Next, I'll show you how I made this app. I made it with Xcode, using Apple's programming language, Swift. Here's what Swift looks like. Now, in Xcode, you can see there are these screens. These screens are what you would see on your phone when you play the app. I put in some button objects, added some text, and voila, there's the app. Here I have an iPhone simulator. Let's see what the game looks like. Level 1. Don't press the button. I told you not to press it. And it disappears. The puzzles will get more challenging as you go on. Can you become a button master? There are also hints if you get stuck, but the real challenge is to beat the puzzles without the hints. How did I learn to do all this? I used this course on Udemy by Angela Yu, the iOS Development Bootcamp. You can get this for free with an Udemy subscription. I started with this course and then I did some Googling, went on Stack Overflow, and figured out how to make the app. My good friend Turbal has been asking, when is the Android version coming out? It will be releasing in a few weeks. First, I have to learn how to code my app using Kotlin, Android's programming language. Stay tuned for that. There will be a lot more exciting coding content coming on this channel. Follow me on my coding journey.